Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do a dip brow and a pencil brow. I'll show you guys the differences, which one I prefer, and yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. Hey guys, getting right into it. I'm going to start by using my Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil that I love. And I'm going to start by brushing up my eyebrows, just to make sure that I get the right shape of my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to start filling it in, starting from the front, and I'm just going to work up till the tail end of my eyebrows. Going back to the front of my eyebrows, I'm going to start filling in my eyebrows from the top using the same motion. I'm going to start filling in the inside of my eyebrows, making sure that I stay between those two lines and filling in the sparse spaces. Now that we're done filling in the eyebrows, I'm going to go back to the front of the eyebrows and I'm going to start creating hair-like strokes, and this is going to make the eyebrows appear a lot more natural. Next, we're going to brush the eyebrows from the top to the bottom just to make sure that it's not too obvious that we got it drawn in. Because girls and guys, the secret here is to make sure that the eyebrows look as natural as possible. Using my Fenty Beauty concealer that I love, I'm going to use that with this flat brush. I'm going to start cleaning up my eyebrows, starting from the bottom. Using my Lancome Tient Idol foundation, I'm going to use this with 1 drop of concealer, and I'm going to clean up the top of my eyebrows. Now I'm going to start cleaning up my eyebrows using my beauty blender just to make sure that I have the most natural looking results. For the final cleanup process, I'm going to dip this shader brush into my lower Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to clean up my eyebrows at the top and bottom, and this is going to give me the most perfect natural finish. Moving on to the next eyebrow, I'm going to start by brushing up the eyebrows like I did before. Just comparing both eyebrows here, don't worry about me. Using the Anastasia dipbrow pomade, I really wanted to use this in product here so you guys can see the true results. I'm going to start the same way by following a line at the bottom of my eyebrows, then I'm going to go to the top, and I'm going to start filling it in the same way, making sure I'm between these two spaces that I created. Then I'm going to work my way towards the front, and then I'm going to start creating those hair-like strokes. Using my Fenty Beauty concealer, I'm going to start cleaning up the bottom of my eyebrows, and then the top, also using the same flat shaded brush. I'm going to start cleaning up the top and bottom of my eyebrows using the apex of my beauty blender, just to make sure I get really close to all the concealer. Dipping my shaded brush into my lower Mercier translucent powder, I'm going to start doing my final cleanup. Then I'm going to brush my eyebrows a little bit just to make sure I get the most natural finish. And here goes the big reveal. Eyebrow pencil versus dip brow. I personally like the dip brow, and it's crazy because I didn't think that I would. I honestly thought that it would look pretty much the same, but I see a huge difference. It's crazy. Wow. The dip brow definitely looks a little bit more professionally done, but I feel like the brow pencil looks a lot more, just a lot more natural. But I like both of them. Comment below which one you like better, and let me know which one you use personally, which one you prefer. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!